Hey guys, welcome to another episode of your review channel. Yes, I'm going over some information with you today regarding eBay. So there's something new, couple new features they have at Seller Hub, and I want you to just be aware of this. This one called a pick list. So you want to ask me, what's a pick list? Well, a pick list is basically when you sell a bunch of items on eBay and you want to pull your inventory and you're trying to find out where everything is. Instead of writing everything down on pieces of paper or writing down in a million notes everywhere or invoices, you can actually pick out a list exactly in line by line, exactly what you sold for the day or for the weekend. So if you had 5 sales or 10 sales or 2 sales, doesn't really matter. You can print out this list called your pick list. So to access the pick list, you have to go to your Seller Hub, and I'll show you where that is right now. So go to Sell. That's what you do first. And once you hit Seller, you're going to get into this is your Seller Hub. Click on your left-hand side. So this is called Seller Hub. And what you want to do is you want to go down to your orders. Now, I have a couple of orders right now that have not been shipped yet. So you want to do is await shipment. Now, I have 2 orders here. So I want to just click on these 2 orders here. I want to go to click on shipping. Now, you're going to see print packing slip and more. So it doesn't say pick list on here, but click on this. This is where the more is. So click on that. So it opens up a packing slip. So you can print out this packing slip as well and just give customers a packing slip, when you sell their order, when you ship their order. But also there's another hidden feature here called the pick list. So a pick list is exactly what it says. All the information you need located where your items are. So if you're familiar with inventorying, if you're familiar with putting certain specifications on where your item is and item specifics or where your item would be located, you can actually put that information into your eBay, and then you can actually access it from your pick list. So I will show you that in a minute. So I don't want to print the packing list. I just want to pick a pick list. So I have 2 here, but it only shows 1, but it will print 2. So let's just go to print. I'll show you exactly where it is. And here it is. So this is the pick list. These are the 2 items that are sold. So custom labeling, if you're not familiar with that, basically tells you can put an inventory, you can put a shelf, you can put a number on it. So these are on shelf 1. You can see that. So when I pull this paper, I know this is on shelf 1. Up here is the eBay item number. So 4744 and 54446 are the 2 item numbers. This is how my system works. So I got the last 4 and I have a shelf number. This way I know exactly where it is and I know the number. And this is how I use my inventory system. So this is called a pick list. So if you had 2 items, 10 items, 50 items, everything's on this pick list. So when you pick it, you can check it off, put the item number down, you know where it's located, you know the item number, you know the person, you know where it's going, you know everything. It's called the pick list. So I just want to make this quick tutorial. Wanted to show you how that works. Okay, guys, any questions or any comments, leave down below. I have a bunch of eBay tutorials on how to learn how to use eBay, how to add inventory like you just saw there a few minutes ago. I can show you that as well. I have videos about that. And also, it's so cool that you can have a pick list. You don't have to run around with a bunch of pieces of paper. You don't have to print out 1,000 invoices. You can just use the pick list. So I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in some comments down below what you do on eBay. Tell me what you use, what kind of inventory you use. Do you use the pick list? Do you use an inventory system? Are you new to eBay? I'm here to help you. I have a bunch of videos on my channel to help you with growing your channel and helping you with photographs and helping you with marketing and using all types of tools and technologies. I've been on eBay for over 23 years, so really familiar with it. So if you have any questions or any comments, leave down below in the comment box and I will respond to you. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me so I can help you. Okay, guys, just wanted to bring this quick video to you about the pick list. All right, I'll see you at the next video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review.